Hi, this is Blake Schwank with Colorado Computer Support with another episode of Cyber Saturday. As you guys know, last week I was in Hawaii with my wife. We were there with our business coaches with Maui Mastermind for a week. And but that's not what I want to talk about. What I want to talk about is how I want you to be like a Hawaiian monk seal. So my wife and I went to Poipu Beach, and they had these monk seals out there. I know you're thinking, what the heck is Blake talking about? Telling me he wants me to be a seal. Well, if you check out these pictures, and I didn't shoot video there, I was in my swimsuit. You probably really don't want to see me in my swimsuit. But I shot these pictures of these monk seals. And what they do is they swim around at night, and then during the day they pop out, they lay on the beach, and they just don't move. They just chill out. They've got not a care in the world. And that's what I want you to do with your business, have not a care in the world. So what protects them? What keeps people from going and messing with the seals? Well, it's this unobtrusive yellow rope and a sign. And so that's all it takes to keep them out. Now, your network needs a little bit more to make sure that it is protected, that it is safe. But like that yellow rope that protects these seals, your network security should be unobtrusive. It should not really mess with your workflow. Some things do, unnecessarily, we do need to add things like passwords. It would be easier if we could walk up and just log into a computer. But it should not slow your operations down, should not slow your workflow down. So I want you to be comfortable with your network. I want you to be able to sleep at night like a monk seal, take a nap during the day like a monk seal, and be relaxed because you have a solid team keeping an eye on your network. And I'm able to go out and travel like this because I have a solid team behind me. I used to do all the work. Now I don't do all the work. I don't do much of the work. I hang out. So if you need help relaxing and chilling out, give us a call at Colorado Computer Support. We'll help you be a monk seal. You can find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com, or you can find us at 719-439-0599. And I hope you have a fantastic week. If you like these videos, click and subscribe. Share them with your friends. And there's other videos here to the side that are relevant to our topic today. Have a great day.